Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of culinary mysteries, and our spotlight is on the Russian delicacy Kartofelnye Oladushki. You might think you know everything about potato pancakes, but get ready to be surprised because we're about to reveal some unknown facts that will leave you craving for more. Let's get started. Before we unveil the secrets, let's take a moment to appreciate the beauty of Kartofelnye Oladushki. These delightful potato pancakes are a staple in Russian cuisine, loved for their crispy exterior and fluffy interior. But what makes them so special? Let's find out. Historical roots. Our first hidden gem revolves around the historical roots of Kartofelnye Oladushki. Did you know that these potato pancakes have been a part of Russian culinary tradition for centuries? They trace their origins back to the 19th century, evolving from simple peasant fare to a beloved dish enjoyed by people of all walks of life. Versatility in ingredients. Now, let's talk ingredients. Most of us are familiar with the basic Kartofelnye Oladushki recipe, but did you know about the incredible versatility in ingredients? Russians have mastered the art of adapting the recipe based on seasonal availability. From adding herbs to experimenting with different types of potatoes, the possibilities are endless. Symbolism in shapes. Here's a fascinating fact: the shapes of Kartofelnye Oladushki can hold symbolic meaning. Traditionally, some regions shape them round to represent the sun, symbolizing warmth and good fortune. It's a delightful way to add meaning to a seemingly simple dish. Rituals and celebrations. Kartofelnye Oladushki aren't just food, they're a part of rituals and celebrations in Russian culture. During Maslenitsa, a week-long festival marking the end of winter, these pancakes take center stage. Families gather to enjoy the warmth of the pancakes, symbolizing the coming of spring and the banishment of winter blues. Secret family recipes. One of the most enchanting aspects of Kartofelnye Oladushki is the tradition of secret family recipes. Many Russian families guard their unique twists on the classic recipe, passing them down through generations. These variations often include special seasoning blends, secret techniques, or unexpected ingredients that make each family's Kartofelnye Oladushki a distinctive culinary masterpiece. Connection to Russian folklore. Did you know that Kartofelnye Oladushki have a connection to Russian folklore? In some tales, these potato pancakes are said to possess magical qualities, bringing good luck and prosperity to those who consume them. It's a charming link between the culinary world and the rich tapestry of Russian storytelling. Regional variations. Russia's vast expanse contributes to the diversity of its cuisine, and Kartofelnye Oladushki are no exception. Different regions have their own unique variations, ranging from the use of specific local ingredients to variations in cooking techniques. Exploring these regional differences adds a whole new dimension to the appreciation of this beloved dish. Modern twists and fusion cuisine. While Kartofelnye Oladushki have deep roots in tradition, modern chefs are putting their own creative spins on this classic. From gourmet toppings to unexpected flavor combinations, the world of Kartofelnye Oladushki is evolving. Some culinary innovators are even experimenting with fusion cuisine, blending Russian tradition with global flavors. Seasonal variations. One interesting facet of Kartofelnye Oladushki is their adaptability to seasonal ingredients. Russians take advantage of the changing seasons, incorporating fresh produce like zucchini in the summer or butternut squash in the fall. This not only enhances the flavor but also makes Kartofelnye Oladushki a dish that evolves with the bounty of each season. Cultural significance in literature. Kartofelnye Oladushki have found their way into Russian literature, becoming more than just a culinary delight. In some classic works, these pancakes are woven into the narrative, representing comfort, home, and the simple joys of life. It's a testament to the cultural significance that this dish holds in the hearts of the Russian people. Artistic representations. Artists have also been inspired by the beauty of Kartofelnye Oladushki. And there you have it, the unknown facts of Russian Kartofelnye Oladushki. From their rich historical roots to the symbolism and shapes, these potato pancakes are a treasure trove of surprises. I hope you enjoyed learning more about this beloved Russian dish. If you have any hidden facts or favorite variations, share them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more culinary adventures, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, happy cooking!